with couples counseling, I use the Gottman Method. The Gottmans are a couple who've done a ton of research on thousands of different couples, and they've come up with the masters and the disasters. And so within these two groups, they've studied what works and what doesn't work. And they've come up with many different techniques on how to work with conflict, how to build connection, how to improve intimacy, and how to sustain long term relationships. The first 3 sessions is just assessing the relationship and seeing where they're at. So the first session is all 3 of us answering a bunch of different questions, things like, how did they meet? What was their relationship like in the beginning? And taking almost like a chronological order of the relationship, where the strengths are, what is working, what isn't working. And then we move into 2 individual sessions. And when I say 2, 1 each individual session to understand each person's background and childhood, hobbies, interests, everything about themselves. And then the fourth session is all of us together going over the assessment, the findings, where to start, and how to dive in and how that feels for them. A lot of couples counseling is psychoeducation, conflict resolution, and different tips are practiced in session so that couples understand how to do it in a safe place and then take it outside of the counseling sessions. Couples counseling is honestly for anyone. Some couples do it before marriage and other couples do it near the end of the relationship. I think that the earlier, the better, the sooner, the better, because these techniques can really help with the conflict and getting underneath any issues that are really the driving force. There's just a lot out there now that can really help couples. So having that extra support or that little boost could go a long way.